We've been speaking about the need to build a stronger bridge between the academic classrooms and commercial decision environment in hospitality. A bridge that helps students move from knowing concepts to making real commercial decisions. Today, I'm excited to share something we've been working on quietly behind the scenes. Over the past several months, while speaking with hospitality educators, revenue leaders, and academic institutions, we've been developing a structured approach to teaching revenue management as a modern commercial discipline it has become. Introducing the Rev Academy Curriculum Framework, RCF. The RCF is designed as a structured academic framework that helps hospitality institutes teach commercial thinking in a progressive and practical way. Instead of compressing revenue management into a single standalone subject, the RCF introducing a learning pathway where commercial reasoning develops step by step across the program. This approach supports multiple stakeholders across the hospitality ecosystem. For hospitality institutes, it helps build stronger commercial capability within their academic programs. For educators, it provides clearer teaching blueprints that simplify how complex commercial concepts can be introduced and connected. For students, it builds confidence to move from understanding concepts to participating in real commercial decisions. And for the industry, it helps prepare graduates who can contribute meaningfully to revenue and commercial teams much earlier in their careers. The future of hospitality commercial talent will be built through stronger collaboration between education and industry. To the deans, directors, educators, and industry leaders who care deeply about the future of hospitality education, we invite you to explore Rev Academy Curriculum Framework with us. Because when we align learning pathways with the realities of the commercial world, we strengthen the entire hospitality ecosystem. More to follow soon.